Hi there, my name is Mark Thomas. I'm one of the members of the EchoMe's Business 2023 User Advisory Group, and today we're going to be unboxing the Echo TC210. It's a gas-powered tiller cultivator. It really has some awesome ratings. I've never tested one out, but as you can see behind me, we have a bunch of dandelions, which means that it's springtime and we need to get the lawn and garden in order. And this right here is going to do it. So let's get started, unbox it, and test it out for you. Okay, now I have everything assembled. It's time to put some fuel in. So this right here is a movable handle. Trying to think, I guess that will just stay right there. Yeah, it's pretty close to the engine, so it helps to balance. This is how you transport it. That plastic handle sits right there. You just grab that. So now it's time for me to put some fuel in it. This is the kickstand. I'm glad it has that on it. All right, let's put some fuel. This line right here comes close to the fuel cap, but that's all right. We can work around it. All right, I'm excited now. We're gonna test it out. We have this section of my lawn back there. It's about 100 feet away. And I think that instead of having to carry it, I think I can just kind of give it a little bit of gas and walk with it without it tearing up the lawn. Let's try that. And doing so, I think it's a good idea just to wear gloves, eye protection, and hearing protection. What's cool, it has this kickstand. All right, it's probably still a little bit too wet for this, but I was able to really score it up. I've tried taking a rake to this other times, and I just wasn't able to break it up enough to get grass to grow consistently. So I'm hoping now that we're on the right path. So I'll probably be out here in a couple weeks to try to rake that out even, maybe put a little fill dirt in there and get some grass seed down. Hopefully then we can have a nice, even, consistent lawn, not just clumps. Okay, let's go test this out on a landscape bed. All right, so now we're going to cultivate this landscape bed right here. It's all uneven. There's all type of weeds, so we're hoping that this will cultivate it and just tear it up real nice, so that way we can level it out, get the weeds out of there, and then plant something new, maybe thin some other things out. So there's one other thing I want to quick point out. This may look like it's hard on your back, but it really isn't. It's very easy to do. It's really just very satisfying when you get done using this, how well it works and how much you can accomplish in a short amount of time. All right, so now let's go. right, check this out. This is very loose soil. It really dug it up. I didn't want to get too close to the wall here and hit the tines on the concrete, so do any damage to that. So I'll deal with that later. But this right here, I can get the weeds sorted out and then rake it even and then start planting again and put some mulch on top. All right, so my initial impressions after using this for the first 30 minutes, it's definitely a workhorse. It's lighter in weight than what I thought. You just let the machine do the work and it's not hard on your back. You're mostly using your arms right here and your shoulders. So it definitely works well. So I'm excited to have it to cultivate and till some things up this spring and summer. So hopefully this helps you learn a little bit more about the Echo TC210.